Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through step by step how to set up your very own chat bot. So I'd heard about a chat bot before. I never really knew exactly what it was. But since my Facebook page is growing so fast and I'm getting tons of comments on all my posts, I wanted to figure out a way to automate this so that I didn't have to go through and manually reply to all of the comments, right? So I found this website called minichat.com. I've included a link in the description below where you can create your account. It's totally free. They also have some paid plans as well, but to get started, you don't need to pay anything, right? So you can start out with a free plan. And once you log into your account, you'll be presented with this dashboard here. So this is the home page. I've also got contacts, which allows me to track the contacts that I'm collecting from my automated bot. So as you can see here, I already have a few contacts. And if I go to growth tools, you can see the automated chat bot that I've already set up, as well as impressions, conversion rate, open, click-through rate, all that stuff. And what you're going to want to do for this to set up an automation is to go to the automation tab. And from here, I'll just create a new one for you to show you how it all works. So click on the blue button in the upper right-hand corner. It says new flow. And this will allow you to set up a new flow. You can use one of the templates here if you want to just select, set up one that they've already designed for you. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to select start from scratch to set up my own. So I'll click on start from scratch and I'll just name it send messages to Facebook commenters, or something like that. And then you can just click rename. And from here, it puts you into a flow chart. And the first step is you're going to want to add a trigger for the starting step. So just click on add trigger. And just click on the starting step right here. And there you can add a trigger. You're going to want to type in comment and then select Facebook comments 2.0 right here. So that's your starting step. And from here, it's already connected to my Facebook page, which is Hope Photography right here. As you can see, I've got about 45,000 followers, 30,000 likes. And that's one of the reasons that I'm setting up this automation. You can actually see it working right here. It's automatically commenting every time somebody makes a post or a comment on my post. And then we'll also send them an automated message in Facebook Messenger. So one of the really good things about this also is that it will drive up engagement on your posts, because instead of you going through manually and commenting on everyone, it will just do it for you. And the more you comment, the faster you comment, the better, because that's going to continue to drive up engagement on your posts. So there's many advantages to setting up a chatbot. And in this particular case, I'm just going to select a publication. So that will pull up my list of posts on my Facebook page. These are my published posts. You can also select scheduled posts, promotable posts, and custom. But in this case, I'm doing all organic marketing. I don't run any advertising campaigns on my page. So let's just select this one, for example. If you want to automatically comment on all posts, that's a pro feature. So you can either start a free trial, which I may actually do on my account, so that I can just automatically reply to all comments on any post. But in this particular case, I am just on the free plan, so I need to select a specific post. So let's go ahead and do that again. Let's select this one. And then you're going to want to check track first level comments only, so that it's not automatically replying to comments on other comments. So just select track first level comments. And auto response is where you're actually commenting on the comment in the post. So here you could just say, thanks for your comments. Um, and I just sent you a DM. And you're going to want to select a couple different ones here, because if it's just posting the same comment over and over again, then it could be flagged as spam, in which case your Facebook account could get penalized, or you could get blocked from posting comments. So just enter a few different comments here. I just sent you a message. I don't know. Appreciate your support or something like that, right? And once you have a few comments here, you can also select like comments. So it'll automatically like the person's comment. And just go back, go ahead, save that. And you also want to publish. You're going to want to make sure to publish this. But first, we have to set up a message that it's going to send to the commenter. So let's just say, thanks for your comment on my post. Let's see. Would you like to click the button to browse my artwork or something like that? And then you can add a little pointing finger down so that they know where to click. And then you could just say, I don't know, check it out, or browse now, something. I leave this up to you. And then open website. So here they can actually go to, let's just enter my Etsy store here. And they can browse my Etsy store. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It will automatically send this message. And then if you want to connect another step, you can just drag and drop right here and then select Messenger. So let's say you want to collect someone's email address, for example. That's also a pro feature, which I don't have access to for this video. But you can send as many messages as you want. Maybe here you would say go to next step or something. So instead of entering website, go to next step, something like that. And then I would change this. Thanks for your comment on my post. How can I help you moving forward, or something like that? Or just thanks for your comment, and then enter another message here. Would you like to check out my online store? Something like that. Click the button to browse my online store. And then you can add the button here. Browse now. Can't type. There we go. And that's it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. This one, I think this, if I want to delete this, I can do this, and then I actually have to drag from here. So drag from the button to the next step. That way, when they click the button, they go here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So once you've got your automated sequence set up, then you're going to want to make sure to check this to actually activate it. Well, first you have to publish. And I think for this one, I need to change this to send within 24-hour window to as comment reply. So every time there's a new comment, then it will send this message. So make sure to select as comment reply right here, so it takes the right action. And then you come over here and you just turn it on. So now the trigger is activated, and it's going to start sending messages and replying to comments every time you get a new comment on your post. And if you want to test it, let's see, which post did I set this up for? This one. So if I just go over here and I post a comment here, it should work theoretically. So I should get a reply here. Sometimes it takes a little while. But as you can see here, this is exactly what it's doing. It's just saying thanks for comments, automatically replying to message. So for this one, I think I'm just going to disable it. This is just an example to show you how it works. And that is the best way to increase engagement on your Facebook page. Again, it's completely free, and then they have some paid plans as well. So let me just go ahead and turn this off for now. And I can actually activate a trial, and then I get access to all of the pro features, which might be worth doing because then I can just automatically reply to every comment on every post. So I'll probably go ahead and do that. And then you get a trial for I think it's 14 days, I believe. Let's see if it says here. 7 days, and then it's $15 per month, which could be worth it if it's getting results for you. They also have another plan that's $100 per month with more features. And I think they have an affiliate program as well. If they do, then I'm going to include a link to an affiliate link in the description below. I'm not sure if they have an affiliate program. But yeah, this is one of the best ways to just start getting more sales, increasing engagement on your page, and all that good stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, take care, stay safe.